Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure it has at least half charge and remove any SD card. Once done, confirm whether you can use Google Find My Device or Vivo Cloud. That affects options later. Now power the phone off completely. Next, you boot to recovery using the Vivo key combo, typically volume up plus power, sometimes volume down plus power. Hold until the recovery menu appears. This step gets you into the system tools used to reset the phone. You now navigate recovery. Use the volume keys to move through options and the power key to select. Select Wipe Data or Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm the action. This clears the lock but also deletes all personal files. Once it finishes, choose Reboot System Now. Make sure you understand why. This removes the screen lock by restoring factory settings. Note that after reboot you may hit Google Factory Reset Protection. If so, you must sign in with the Google account previously used on the phone. Reboot into the fresh system and proceed through Android setup. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with the original Google or Vivo account to bypass FRP. Then restore any backups from Google Drive or Vivo Cloud so you get apps and contacts back. If the phone fails to boot, gets stuck in a loop, or insists on an unknown Google account, stop and seek Vivo customer support or an authorized technician. That single step avoids risk of permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.